So this a quick update on this. My buddy CLS63, and we got this like rod knocking type of noise. And we first thought it was the water pump. We replaced the water pump with one of my spare parts, and it's not it. So we figured it's the alternator. This will be the second time we're replacing his alternator, because I replaced it with my E63 alternator. He first had a weird noise, but it wasn't as knocking as this. But I'll be so surprised if it comes out to with that it was still an alternator problem. So stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know what's up.